This class we can see planning budget for nursing service. Topic on budget planning in nursing administration. Nursing division budgeting. What is budgeting? Budgeting is strategic financial plans, managerial planning, strategic operational planning is day-to-day operational plans and delivery of services. How to define? Financial management is a series of activities designed to allocate resources and plan for the efficient operation of the organization. Budgeting, the planning function of financial management. Budget, written financial plan aimed at controlling the allocation of resources, translates operational plans into monetary terms or statement of expected expenses and revenues over a period of time. Expenses and revenues, cost or prices of activities undertaken in the organization's operations, revenues, incomes or amounts earned for purchase of service of goods. Factors influencing budget planning: internal and external economic environment, changing demands of the clients and or providers, ability of human resources, capacity of the organization, service cost, market price, organizational goals and strategic directions, plans and objectives of department. Budgeting process: how nurse executive can prepare nursing division budget. Budgeting process: step 1, review past performance. Step 2, review the organization's goals and projections. Step 3, review of the vacancies with higher levels. Step 4, actual preparation of the budget. Step 1, review of past performance, prior financial records, present activities of the nursing division. Activities are the division plans to institute during the projected financial period. Activities the division plans to delete during the projected period.